Guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. My name is Fewani and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look, this beautiful rainbow eyeshadow look. And I hope you guys did not forget that it's Pride Month, so that's why I came up with this look. So if you love colors and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check me out. And make sure you stick around for my motivational quote of the day, because at the end of each of my videos I give you guys a motivational quote. Make sure you stick around for that because you don't want to miss it, okay? If you are new here, welcome. I love you guys, and make sure you consider subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for being with me on this journey. I appreciate you guys so much. And enough of this chit chat, okay? Let's get right into this video.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
The palette I'm using is the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Over the Rainbow. And I'm using this pink right here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation. I applied some contour cream, and I applied some concealer. So I'm just gonna blend out this concealer. Because this look is mostly about the eyes, so I don't want to go on too long with the foundation and all that kind of stuff, and you guys don't actually get to see what I'm doing. Like, I don't want to cut you the look for videos that's like going to give me the information. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield setting powder, and I'm just going to set my T-zone area. Be careful not to touch the eyeshadow I don't mind because my under eye is dry and the rest of my face is oily. I have combination skin because this as I mentioned, this eyeshadow works best when the base is a little bit tacky, because I really want the colors to pop. And I'm going to be using my contour shade in this palette, and this palette is the Cosmetics Desert Dust. So I'm using this contour shade. For me, I like to pack it on. I don't know about how others feel about it, but that's what I like. To each their own. And I'm just gonna go in with the beauty blender again, and I'm going to just apply this right below my contour. Now I'm going to start dusting off my powder, and I'm not gonna go in with a too big brush because, as I said, I don't want this to touch the colors that I already worked on underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and make a wing using my Morphe liner. So I'm gonna apply some mascara today, and I'm going to be using some Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express. And I'm going to be applying some lashes. I know I normally apply my lashes off camera, but what the heck, doesn't matter, right? Even going to be too heavy with the highlighter. I'm just gonna basically just pat a little bit of highlighter onto my skin. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love this look. I love this look so much. I am proud of the way I created it. I started this video not knowing which way I'm going to go with the look, if I'm going to have a cut crease or if I'm just gonna go ahead and do something straight from the head. And this is what I came up with, and I am loving it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And now it's time for the motivational quote of the day. And the motivational quote of the day is: create your own destiny. The journey might be long, slow, and hard, but slow and steady wins the race, okay? All you have to do is start, and today is the day that you start, okay? I'm encouraging everybody, if you haven't started yet, start today. And if you have already started and it's not going the way you want it to go, just continue and push yourself even harder towards your goal. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you come back on Mondays and Thursdays to check out when I upload a new video. And if you have made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!